In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give your button a specific class, so a custom class name. And the reason you want to do that is for tracking purposes, or if you want to use JavaScript custom code or whatever that might be, you need to know what is the class of your button, but you also need a custom class so it doesn't affect the entire page with the same button. So let's get started. Let's say I want to give a specific, oh, damn, what I did here. Just keep that. Okay, so let's say this is my second button, and then this one, third button, fourth actually, fourth. Okay, now we want to give this a custom class. So we come to code overrides, click on plus, and then we click on new file. And we call it main CTA. You can name it whatever you want, okay? This is just for reference, and I want to understand that, oh, this is for my main CTA. Main CTA could mean, as like buy my course that you put on the hero section, and you want to track how many people are clicking buy my course on your hero section. Very less likely that someone will buy directly from the first button. So personally, I will make I will put the emphasis on middle of the page and end of the page. So here we have it. Then I'm gonna grab a special code that I'm gonna link in the description. So what I did here, I'm gonna repeat that. Okay, so we come back, we click on the button, we click on code override, and then this is the one that I click. So I just want to edit the code. Click on the line 10, then enter, Command V, and just space for the sake of aesthetics. I don't like when it's all clumsy. And then now we have this command. Okay, what we want to do here is change that, but you have to actually keep this space. Very, very, very important that we have a space. Shouldn't be like that, should be like this. And then I call it main CTA, and then you're done, but not done entirely. To make this work, we have to select the override, and that's called with class. Okay, and it's not going to change anything special here, but if we go to the publish, we click on this, and I do inspect. Then you see here the class name is kind of crazy, but still it added the main CTA. So now this is actually unique for this button because not other buttons is named with the main CTA thing. If we go here, where's the name of that? So there's no main CTA here either, and nor here. So now we want to add another custom class for the second button here. Or third, yeah, okay, third. Now what we're gonna do is code override again. I'm just gonna come back here. New file, let's call it third button. Oh, I cannot start with a number. Third button, or third CTA. And then do the same thing. Let's call this outline CTA. Third CTA with class, publish. If I come back here, refresh, and I hover over it, so we see here outline CTA. Where is it? Yeah, here. So this is again unique, and you can do the same thing over and over again for all other buttons. But at the end of the day, it can be a maniac or whatsoever. But like, you just need 3 buttons, and well, actually I have 8 here, so I can track like the one on the navbar, hero section, second section, third section, fourth, and then those are like in the buy section basically, and then the footer section. So I have a lot of buttons here, and I just want to know like how many people are clicking here. This one will bring me to here, and the other one will just bring to the calendar page. And so that's pretty much it on how you add a custom class to your buttons for whatever reason that you want to do that. But main reason for me personally is to be able to track those buttons in Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. If you have any more questions, reach out to me and we'll get that sorted out.